Hello guys, welcome back to Enchanting Lights. As you all know, Christmas is here and I have shown you one beautiful DIY of lotion balm regarding Christmas. So today I am going to share one such beautiful Christmassy DIY with you, and we are going to make snowman candles. For that, let me tell you what all things we need. These are two ball candles, one big, one small. I have purposely kept the wick longer for the bigger rose ball. I'll tell you the reason why once we start making the video. This is without the wick. Then there is this net cloth which I have taken, a brush, a pillar candle, some acrylic colors and a scissor. So before moving on to the video, I would like to request you all that please subscribe to my channel and please hit the notification icon for all the regular videos and updates that I post here. So now let's start with the video. So first we are going to make a snowman candle using these balls. So these are two rose ball candles of different size. One is with a longer wick and one is without wick. So this is going to be the body of the snowman and this is going to be the head of the snowman, like this. So for this I am going to make a hole in this ball using a wire. So this kind of wire you can find in any hardware shop. This candle is a bit softer from inside, so it was easy for me to make the hole using this wire. I have demolded it a bit early so that I can make a hole easily in it. And this wick I'll be inserting inside this smaller ball, like this. So in this way I have fixed the head of the snowman on the body of the snowman. Now I'll just press it so that both the head and the body of the snowman are well attached to each other. Now my next step is I'll be painting the face and the mouth of the snowman and also the dress of the snowman using acrylic colors. So let's do that. So before making the eyes and the other features of the snowman, I have taken this net cloth of red color and this I'll be tying around the neck of the snowman. So this will act as a scarf of the snowman. So just I'm taking this and let me adjust it properly so that it is visible on the camera. This way I am just tying a knot of the scarf. So this is how I have tied the knot and this is looking exactly like a scarf of the snowman. So next we have to make the features. So I am taking black acrylic color and I'll paint the eyes. Now these ball candles have roses embedded in these. You can also take plain ball candles for making your snowman. So this is how our ball candle looks like ball candle, snowman candle, and now we are going to cut the excess wick which is there on the top. And also excess scarf. So this is how our snowman ball candle looks like, and we will move on to pillar candle now. So this is a pillar candle which I have taken, and in a similar way I'll be drawing the eyes of the snowman. I found that blue color is looking more nice and appealing, so I'm using blue color for the eyes here. On our ball candle there were roses embedded, so it was a bit difficult to paint on it, but this pillar candle is very smooth and it's very easy to paint on this. Now let's make the buttons. I'm leaving some space in between to tie the scarf. So I have drawn all the features, and next step is to tie the scarf. Make sure when you tie the scarf the paint is not wet, otherwise the design will get spoiled. You can take any net cloth, any check cloth, or any other cloth which you find bright and vibrant, and you can use it as scarf. I think I should fold this first. You can even tie the lace or the satin ribbons which are there. So this is how my pillar candle snowman looks like. Now I'll give you the closer look of both the candles. So this is a close-up view of both the snowman candles, the one with ball candles and the one with pillar candle, and it's super easy to make, and it's a very easy and cute DIY for Christmas. Do try this snowman candles, and I'm sure your kids, even the elders, everyone will love these candles. And if you like the video, kindly hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and keep watching Enchanting Lights. Thank you. Bye bye.